Right, mate. Let's have a look here. WTC. It's up 13% here today. 13, 14%. It definitely can be good to trade stronger coins in the market on a bad day. You know, a lot of things are getting hit hard. The the question is not the question, but the thing is, you know, price needs to stay above this level right down here. It needs to stay above this. So if you can find, well, we are dipping here right now. So in theory, you know, buying in and around this area can be a good strategy if it's gonna be a strong coin. The problem is down to these lows is now 7%. That's the problem. You missed the lows. The buying, the good buying was down in here. You created this doji candle and you had a move up and rounded out. I don't know if you can see what I'm on about. So you create this pattern and you get the bounce off it, and it kind of just rounds back out, you know, from that, creating a higher low. So that is the situation to be buying when you notice this, and it's kind of a little bit late to the party, and it leaves you with a lot of exposure, a lot of risk. Now you can watch this and see if we kind of work our way down into here. If we had one more stop onto this level and kind of work our way back up, it could be something like that. It would be great. It's only up 10% now, so it is dropping again. Well, 11% here. Now, the thing is, it is a new 3-day candle tomorrow, right? So it's risky buying here because is it going to close right on the highs today? It's unlikely. It can do it, of course, but it's unlikely. You can see what happened the last time when we had a closure like this. There was some pullback for a few days before going higher. I mean, this is 9 days of a dip. This was different though. We had this huge volume breakout, and it was a real breakout. This is kind of a trend continuation. So regardless of what you do today, even if you do buy this down here and see if it can move higher, tomorrow you need to be alert and trade the new 3-day candle, just like this. If we have a small move up and come down and turn red, you know, it may be a sign of weakness and it may want to drop down. Same here, we may want to dip back down. So if you really want to buy this and see if we can get a reaction off it, you know, I would look to buy as close to these lows as possible, just to lower your risk. And then I would hold and see if we can bounce, and then I would be trading the new 3-day candle. If we flip green on a new 3-day and it continues to bounce, then you can hold it. If we flip red, you're going to have to get out.